3, 2, 1, okay?
Started. Should
All right. Okay, we are continuing with the same objectives that we were doing last time. What we are going to do first, like in every classes, first we are going to read the objective together. Then we are going to write it in our notebooks. Okay. Um, yes, Faizan, we learn about binomial nomenclature also after finishing this objective. Didi will read the objective. We will read with Didi. I should see everybody's lips moving. Okay. Listening time, guys. Nobody is going to take out their pens right now. We're just reading with Didi. All right. We will be able to, very good, Shifa, identify the adaptations, very good, Farzana and Khushi, in animals
Faizan, you have to keep your video on, okay? That's the reason why Didi had asked you to keep your video on.
and explain the reasons behind them. Thank you, Gulnar. Okay, guys, writing time. Everyone is going to take 1 minute and write down the objective in their notebooks. Writing time. Everybody is going to take 1 minute and write down the objective in their notebooks. Very good. I can see Gulnar has taken out her notebook. She has started writing. I can see Misbah writing. I can see Muskan writing. I can see Mantisha and Noshin writing. I can see Shifa writing.
Zaid has just
You
started
will,
writing.
yes, Zaid has started writing, and you will give me a thumbs up once you are done. Hi, Iram. Hi, Zoya. Iram, we are writing the objective in our notebook, okay? Very good, Muskan, Shifa, Mantisha, Misbah. Gulnar is done. Thank you, Gulnar. I can see Iram writing, Zaid writing, Khushi writing. Gulu is done. Thank you, Gulu. Faizan is done. Thank you, Faizan. Shifa is done. Thank you, Shifa. Gulnar is done.
Yes, Gulnar. Thank you.
Gulnar, you will send only once, okay? It might disturb other people. Thank you, Anuj. Thank you, Sabah. Thank you, Gulu.
Muskan is also done.
Thank you, Muskan. Thank you, Misbah. Guys, we'll take 10 more seconds, okay? And we'll finish writing.
Abhi sir,
Oh, Aishwarya is also
Aishwarya
here.
is also here, I know.
Oh, what is this man today? Kids are going to go crazy.
I know, right? Heart
Thank you,
will burst
Misbah.
out. Uh,
Yeah.
thank you, Mehak. Mehak is also
Meg
done.
is also done. Hi, Aishwarya.
Hey, Aishwarya. I think
I
you'll
think you'll
have
have to
to stop
unmute.
the screen, na? Ek second, na?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Everyone will give me a thumbs up if they are done writing the objective. Sahil is done. Shifa is done. Muskan, Mantasha. Thank you, Muskan. Yes, thank you. Mantasha, Noshin, Khushi, Sahil Yaqub, Shabista. Okay, Faizan. Almost everyone is done. I'll give 10 more seconds. If you're not done writing the objective, take 10 more seconds and finish writing it. And then we will move on. Iram is also done. Thank you, Iram. Take 10 more seconds if you haven't done writing, and then we will move on. Gullu is feeling happy. Thank you for sharing, Gullu. Gulnar is also done. Thank you, Gullu. Okay, we'll move on. Okay. All right. So the last time we had done adaptations in desert plants, aquatic plants, and a lot of other plants, right? Today we are going to look at adaptations in reptiles. Can anyone name me one reptile? किसी एक reptile का नाम बताओ जो आपको पता है. Any one reptile? Falak is
Palak has
raising her
raised her
hand.
hand.
Yes, Falak.
Anuj has also raised his hand.
Yes, Falak.
Lizard.
Lizard, very good. Chipkali, right? So we all know Chipkali. Chipkali is a reptile. What else is a reptile? Snake. Everybody knows snake. Snake is a
Anuj
reptile.
has raised his hand. Come here.
1 minute, Anuj. I'll just unmute you. Okay. Yes, Anuj.
Teacher, crocodile.
Very good. Crocodile is a reptile. Okay. So today we are going to see what are the adaptations in reptiles. What are the different ways reptiles adjust their behavior. Yes, Mantisha, you want to say something?
No, गलती से दब गया.
No problem, Mantisha. No problem, guys. Okay. So this is a listening time going on, guys, which means we are going to think and we are going to answer. We are not going to pick up our pens. This is our listening time. We are going to discuss with our classmates. Okay. Everybody will have their pens down and will discuss with the entire class. All right. So Didi will read out the adaptations and then we will discuss, then we will think about why does that happen? Why are these adaptations there in these animals? Okay. The first adaptation which is found in reptiles is that they have eyes at either side of their heads. Okay. So if you see a snake, a snake has eyes on both sides of their heads. So we have eyes over here in front of us, but snakes have eyes over here, okay, on both sides of their heads. Okay, this is the first adaptation. Who can tell me why does that happen? Why do you think they have they have eyes over here and not over here? Why do you think they have eyes over here? See, all the reptiles, they have eyes over here. They don't have eyes over here. Why do you think that happens? Mantisha, you want to try? Mantisha, then Sahil, then Misbah. Yes, Mantisha.
टीचर जो लोग मुंह रहते हैं ना सामने की तरफ होते तो इसलिए आइज वहां पर होती है.
Okay, thank you very much, Mantisha. Sahil, you want to try? Guys, any answer is, if all answers are right, okay? There's no right or wrong. Yes, Sahil, you want to try?
टीचर वो जो ना वो जैसे वो झाड़ी में से गुजरेगा और उसको अपना कोई शिकार मिलेगा ना तो उसको पहले देख के उसको अपनी चपेट में लेके जहर मार सकता है.
So smart, Sahil. Very good answers. Okay. Amazing, guys. Guys, there's nothing right or wrong. It's a thinking time, so you can think about it in any way. Misbah, you want to try? Why does this happen? Why do snakes have their eyes over here?
दीदी ताकि उन लोग अपने शिकार को आसपास भी देख सके और मतलब कोई अगर उन लोगों को शिकार करना है उन लोगों को पहले पता चल सके और उन लोग उस पर शिकार करें.
Okay. Amazing. Thank you very much. Arzu, Muskan can't hear me. Can you figure it out with her?
Yeah, I'm just texting her and asking her only if she can hear you now. I'll just call her
Okay.
and see.
No
Because she
problem.
can't hear
Thank
you, she can't hear you. I'll call her. Sure,
Okay,
bye.
okay, thank you. Okay, anybody else wants to answer? What do you think? Why do the snakes have their eyes over here? ऐसे हमारे जैसी आंखें क्यों नहीं होती? Yeah, Iram, you want to try?
Because the snakes and reptiles have different shapes of their faces, that's why they have eyes here.
Okay, different shape अमेजिंग. हमारे जैसा शेप तो नहीं होता ना, उनके मुंह का शेप अलग होता है. वेरी गुड ईरम. साहिल, you want to
Anuj
say
is
something
raising his
else?
hand.
Sahil and then Anuj. Sahil, you want to say something else?
टीचर, ये सांप को ना, ये जो बाकी जानवर लोग हैं ना, लोग हेड के पास आके देते हैं, क्योंकि वो लोग अपना शिकार दूर से भी देख सकते हैं और पास से आके अटैक, थोड़ी दूर से अटैक भी बोल सकते हो लोग वहां से.
Amazing. Thank you very much, Sahil, for sharing. Amazing, Sahil. Amazing insights. Mantusha, you want to share? Then Anuj. Yes, Mantusha?
टीचर लोग का जो पूरा बॉडी रहता है ना, वो पतला होता है, इसलिए उन लोग की
Oh.
आईज ऊपर है.
वेरी गुड ऑब्जर्वेशन मंतुषा. मंतुषा इज सेइंग कि बहुत पतला बॉडी होता है इसलिए. अनुज, यू वांट टू से समथिंग? अनुज देन शबिस्ता. अनुज, यू वांट टू से समथिंग?
Teacher, their eyes are front of their head because to see in night.
To see at night. Thank you very much, Anuj. That was also very useful for us to understand, right? They have to see at night also. Shabista, you want to share something? Shabista? Shabista, we can't hear you. Type it in the chat box, okay? Yes, Gulu, you want to say something?
दीदी, क्योंकि इन लोग की आँख ऐसी रहती है, अंधेरे के टाइम पे रात को इन लोग को शिकार रहना पड़ता है. इन लोग चुपसे से भी इन लोग अपनी जबान से मार सकते हैं.
Amazing. Thank you very much, Gulu. Faizan has shared an answer. Faizan is saying that snakes have no ears. They are deaf to sound. That is why they have eyes, which the vision is monochromatic in 2D. So even if you're standing in front of a snake, it will know, right? Okay. Thank you very much, Faizan, for sharing. That was very, very smart. Okay, guys. Next, what we are going to discuss, next adaptation is that reptiles have thick skin. Okay, उनकी जो चमड़ी होती है, it is very thick. Their skin is very thick and is covered with scales. So if you see, the skin is covered with scales. There are a lot of scales. ठीक है, उनकी स्किन हमारी जैसी नहीं होती है. It is very, very thick. बहुत मोटी होती है and they have scales. Why do you think that happens? Shabista is saying snake has no bones, so they can move. Thank you, Shabista. Gulnar is saying to move. Faizan is saying to move. Misbah, you want to say something? 1 minute, Misbah. Yes, Misbah. Why do you think that they have scales?
दीदी, क्योंकि उन लोग का अगर कोई उन लोग को अटैक करे तो उन लोग को मतलब ज्यादा चोट ना आए और उन लोग उसके ऊपर वापस अटैक कर सकते.
Amazing. Thank you very much, Misbah, for sharing. Anybody else wants to share? Why do you think they have so many scales in their body? Mantisha wants to share. Amazing, Mantisha. Yes, Mantisha, say.
टीचर, क्योंकि लोग हाथ और पैर नहीं हो तो लोग रेंग के जाते हैं, तो लोग की बॉडी में चोट पहुंचे तो लोग की स्किन से पहुंचेगी.
Amazing, very good. Because they don't walk, right? They crawl. So that is why they have
Muskan is
scales, is what
also raising
Mantisha
her
is
hand.
saying. 1 minute. Anuj. Arzu, who did you say is raising?
Muskan is also raising her hand.
Okay, Muskan, 1 minute. Muskan, I'll unmute you, okay? Yes, Muskan. Yes, Muskan. Why do you think this happens?
Because they move on the ground also.
Yes, because they move on the ground. Very good, guys. Thank you for all your answers. Next, what we are going to discuss, they have sharp claws and thin soles. So if you see lizard, the claws of the lizard are very, very sharp. Okay, they have sharp claws. Okay, and they have thin soles. Okay, तो उनके पैर पतले पतले होते हैं and their claws are very sharp. Why do you think they have sharp claws? Who wants to tell me this? Guys are all very smart, okay? Yes, Shifa. Shifa and then Sahil.
दीदी, because their sharp is के they उन लोग कभी भी किसी पे हमला कर सकते हैं, इसलिए उन लोग के नाखून भी इतने बड़े बड़े रहते हैं और sharp रहते हैं.
Amazing. Sabha is saying so that they can move. Thank you, Sabha. Priya has also answered. Priya is saying They don't have backbone. Thank you, Priya. Misbah, and then guys, I'll unmute one by one. Okay, Misbah and then Sahil Yaqub. Yes, Misbah, and then Iram.
दीदी उन लोगों के पैर पतले इसलिए होते हैं क्योंकि लिजर्ट लोग ज्यादातर दीवार पे चलते हैं, तो उन लोग का पैर
Amazing.
जल्दी जल्दी भाग सके, और क्लॉज शार्प इसलिए रहते हैं कि उन लोग कोई भी शिकार करे तो मतलब उन लोग अपने क्लॉज यूज कर सके उसके लिए।
Amazing. Amazing. Guys, one thing we'll try to speak in English also. Okay. So, shikar karna means what? Attacking. Okay. So, Shifa and Misbah is saying they use it for attacking, and Faizan is saying they use it for climbing. Yes, Sahil Yaqub. Sahil Yaqub, then Iram. Yes, Sahil Yaqub.
टीचर ये जो है ना, ये दीवार पे चढ़ के किसी के भी घर में घुस के ना आदमी को देखते हैं, फिर नीचे उतर के उन लोग के कपड़े पे चढ़ के ना, फिर उन लोग के बाद उन लोग को मार देते हैं जहर देके।
So basically for climbing and attacking. Thank you. Gulu is also saying for climbing. Sabah is also saying so that they can walk. Thank you guys. Iram, last one from Iram. Okay, then we will move on. Yes, Iram, what do you think?
Because lizards walk on wall, they don't walk on land, they walk on the wall, and they need sticky floor so that they can stick to the wall and can go through
Yes.
the wall.
Amazing. Thank you very much, Iram, for sharing.
Soumya,
Muskan, you want to share? Yes,
Soumya,
yes.
time check 2:30. Huh?
Because
Thank you. Yes. Yes, Muskan. Sorry, Muskan. Share, Muskan.
दीदी यहाँ पे बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है, आवाज नहीं आ रही है, थोड़ा जोर से बोलो।
बाबा वी आर रिकॉर्डिंग ऑल्सो, ठीक है, तो मैं वीडियो भी आपको भेज दूंगी, ठीक है, इसका क्लास का। ओके, डोंट वरी इफ यू कांट हियर मी, यू कैन सी द वीडियो। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग मुस्कान, नो प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है, डोंट वरी। नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस गाइस दैट reptiles have very long tongue, so their tongue is very long. So if you see the tongue of snake here, a lizard here, they have really long tongues. So why do you think they have such long tongues? Yes, Sahil, you want to share why do they have such long tongues?
There is having rain in your area.
Rain, there is raining, and it's raining in my area. It's raining everywhere. Okay, Sahil. Yes, who wants to share? Zaid, and then Mantisha, and then Shabista. Okay, yes, Zaid, and then Shifa. Yes, Zaid. ऐसी लंबी क्यों जीभ होती है उनकी? Zaid, Baba, unmute and speak. Okay, Mantisha, and then I'll unmute Zaid later on. Yes, Mantisha.
टीचर, उन लोग की टंग इसलिए होती है क्योंकि उन लोग की टंग एकदम लंबी होती है और उससे ना जहर पी देते हैं, तो वो जहर देते हैं।
Okay, two stingers. Yes, Zaid. Yes, Zaid.
Muskan is also raising her hand.
To catch their prey. Oh, Zaid, that was so well spoken. Very good, Zaid. Very good, Mantusha. Very good, Nausheen. Zaid, well done. Okay. Who else was raising their hand?
Muskan and Gulnar and Shabista.
Okay. Yes, Muskan.
Didi, their tongue is long because to eat something is very long from them, and to catch
Very
their
far
prey.
from them. Very far from them. Okay, Muskan. Very far from them.
And to catch their prey.
Amazing. Thank you very much, Muskan, for sharing. Guys, you all can be scientists. Okay, you are very smart. Misbah, you want to share?
Gulnar also and
Misbah,
Shabista also.
Gulu, okay, guys, I'm forgetting. So many of you want to answer. Misbah, and then Shifa, and then Gulu. Okay. Misbah, unmute and speak. I can't unmute Misbah. Shifa, you go. Yes, Shifa, unmute and speak.
Good job, Faizan. That's the correct answer.
To eat food that their tongues are long.
Amazing. Thank you very much, Shifa, for sharing. Very good. Who is Redmi? Very good, Gulu. Very good, Faizan. Very good, Priya. Very good, guys. Very good, Sabah. All of you are answering very well on the group. Okay.
Let me see who's read me.
दीदी
Yes, Misbah.
दीदी इन लोग की the replies have their long term because उन they दीदी हिंदी में बोलूं
हाँ, okay, say.
उन लोग अपने जबान पे अपना जहर लगा के उन लोग कोई भी एनिमल को अटैक कर सकते हैं.
Amazing. Thank you very much, Misbah, for sharing. Shabista also wanted to share. Sorry, Shabista. Share now.
And Gaurav as well, huh?
Okay. I'm not being able to unmute Shabista. Wait, I'll unmute Gaurav. Yes, Gaurav, go. Unmute yourself and speak. Gaurav, unmute yourself and speak. I can't hear Shabista. I can't hear Gaurav. Arzu, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I guess Gaurav is typing something.
Okay. Gaurav, type on the chat box, okay? Alright, guys. So we saw that reptiles have scales. We saw reptiles have thick skin. Zoya is saying long tongue because to smell in the air. We smell with the nose, Zoya. Okay, they have thick skin, they have scales. But thank you for trying, okay, Zoya? They have long tongues and they have sharp claws, okay? Now, Didi will read out to you why does this happen. We are going to read with Didi and then we are going to write in the next 2 minutes. Okay, all of you answered very, very well and I'm very, very proud of you. Okay. Okay, guys, 2 more minutes of listening time, then we are going to start writing. Okay. Um, why do they have eyes at the side of their heads? To look out for predators. Like all of you answered. Why do they have thick skin with scales? To slither. Okay, ये जो जैसे सांप चलता है ना उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Slither करना. Okay, to slither and to blend with their environments. Why do they have sharp claws? To stick to surfaces and climb. This also you guys answered absolutely correct. And why do they have long tongues? To catch their prey. Okay, to catch other animals and eat them. That was also absolutely right. So you guys were absolutely right in all the questions. Now what we are going to do, we are going to take 5 minutes and we are going to write this in our notebooks. Okay, and we are going to show thumbs up to Didi once we are done. Guys, writing time. Writing time means we are taking out our notebooks and we are writing this in our notebooks. Shifa, you want to say something?
Shifa has a doubt.
Shifa, I'm not being able to unmute her. Ha, Shifa, bol.
If we want to write only answer, na?
No, Baba, you have to write the okay. Okay, guys, we will write the entire table in our notebooks. Okay. Very good. I can see Habib has started writing. Arzu, give me a time check after 5 minutes, na?
Yeah. I was going to give it to you at 2:45. You have 8 minutes, okay? And I'm stopping the recording. I'll start again when you start.
No, it's okay. Because even in recording, the kids should have time to write, no? So it's okay.
You want to
keep it on.
Cool.
Thank you, Shifa. I can see Shifa writing. I can see Sahil Yakub writing. I can see Mantisha, Nosheen, Iram writing. Aniket writing. Amazing, guys. I can see Misbah is writing. Muskan is writing.
Oh, you have to write, Baba. You don't have to send the emoticon.
Gullu, start writing.
Book में लिखना चालू करो, guys.
Guys, your writing time will end in 5 minutes, okay? Then we will not be able to write. Everyone is going to finish writing. This is your writing time. Azu, since you were not there, this is because we don't have classroom signals. So this is listening time. This is writing time, okay? Otherwise, you get confused.
Kya? What is listening time? You got frozen for a second.
This. Yeah.
This
L
is
is
listening. This
listening
is
time.
writing. And
Yeah.
please is writing.
Yeah, this is writing. This is
Got
listening.
it. Oh, this is cool.
Done. Thank you, Shifa. Well done.
Aniket
Thank
is
you,
also done.
Aniket.
Redmi, I am
Who
not.
is Redmi?
अभी जिसने मैसेज किया डन करके वो कौन है? Can you please type your name? I don't know. I asked Redmi, but Sameer.
Yes, I
Okay.
Sameer.
Thank you,
Hi,
Sameer.
Sameer. I'll change his name, okay? Guys, show Didi thumbs up, okay? Once you're done writing, otherwise Didi will not know. Thank you, Sahil. Amazing, Sahil. Shifa, if you're done, Sahil, if you're done, read the table again, okay? Read what you have written so that you learn it for exams, okay? Very good, Shifa. I can see Shifa nodding, so cute. Aniket, read it again if you're done, okay? Thank you,
खुशी, ये जो
Aniket.
स्क्रीन पे
Very
जो
good,
दीदी
Iram.
ने
I can
लिखा है
see Iram
उसको कॉपी
writing.
करना है.
She can't hear you. Her audio is not connected. Yes,
Oh
Sahil.
yeah, she just got connected. Khushi, I think
Bolo,
Soumya, you
Sahil.
should give
आप
her.
प्रॉब्लम हो रही है
नहीं हो
वॉइस
रहा
साइज
उसका.
क्या आ रही है?
वॉइस कट के आ रही है.
हाँ
एक बार लीव करके ज्वाइन करो साहिल.
बोला भी ठीक है.
अभी ठीक है. ओके, थैंक यू साहिल फॉर शेयरिंग. I'll text Khushi, okay?
Yeah, because something is up with her audio. She can't hear us.
Yeah, that happens all the time. She's never able to connect her. मतलब her audio takes a lot of time to connect.
Afreen is also here.
Okay. Guys, everyone will show me a thumbs up once we're done, okay? Very good, Iram. I can see Iram writing. Mehak is done. Thank you, Mehak. Sameer is fine. Thank you, Sameer, for sharing. I'm also fine. Aniket is done. Shifa is done. Thank you.
Mehak also.
Very good, Nausheen. Very good, Mantisha. Very good, Gulu. Sameer went to village. Oh, Sameer, show us photos, okay, of your village. Very good, Misbah. I can see Misbah is writing nicely. Kushi can't listen. Muskan is done. Thank you, Muskan. Shifa is saying she's happy because Ardu Didi's come. Thank you, Shifa, for sharing.
Thank you, Shifa, for sharing.
Iram is also done. Thank you, Iram.
Yes, Faizan. I will give her a reminder. Thank you.
Thank you, Shavista. Guys, we'll take 1 more minute, okay? Then we'll finish. Gulu is raising hand. Yes, Gulu.
दीदी
Gulu.
आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी।
मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं रही हूँ। अभी आ रही है?
नहीं दीदी।
एक बार कॉल लीव करके ज्वाइन करो, ठीक है गुल्लू?
व्हाट दीदी?
एक बार कॉल लीव करके ज्वाइन करो, ठीक है?
ओके।
थैंक यू गुल्लू। Princey Habib is still waiting. Guys, we'll finish quickly, okay?
I think we are done, huh, Soumya? We are done.
Acha.
We are done.
All right, amazing. Guys, take 10 more seconds and then we'll move on. I can still see Nispa writing. I can still see Noshin writing.
Yes, yes, Mehak.
Gulu is done. Thank you, Gulu.
Yes, Shifa, I'll come daily.
So cute. Habib, are you done? Nispa, are you done? 1 minute. Okay, guys, finish quickly, okay? Then we'll move on. Gulu is done. Haan, Gulu, I know. How many times did you tell me? Anuj is done. Thank you, Anuj. Mantasha is done. Noshin, Mantasha are done. Thank you, guys. Very good. Habib, are you done? Okay, Misbah and Habib, 10 more seconds, okay? Misbah is done, okay. All right, guys, we'll move on, okay? Gulu, I know you're done. Gulu goes on saying I'm done. Okay. Habib, come finish writing it later, okay? We'll move on for now. Okay, guys, now we're going to discuss camouflaging. We'll discuss 2 questions. This is our listening time. Listening time means we are going to listen to Didi and we are going to answer the question Didi is asking us. How many of you can see an animal here? Show me hands up if you can see an animal here. Can you see an animal in this picture? Gaurav can see an animal. Mantasha, Anuj can see an animal. Raise your hand if you can see an animal. Aniket can also see an animal. Misbah can also see. Shifa can also see. Arzu Didi can also see. Can you see an animal here? Raise your hands if you can see an animal. Shifa can see an animal here. Sahil, Mantasha, Aniket can see animals. Faizan, Sameer, Zaid, Anuj, Gaurav, Zoya. Everyone can see animals. Amazing, guys. Muskan can see animal. Muskan is also smiling. Okay, Muskan. Shifa, which animal can you see here?
दीदी owl.
Owl. Yes, okay. This is an owl over here. Okay. Everyone will raise their hands if you can see an animal here. Can you see an animal? Who all are raising hands? Shifa can see, Mantisha can see, Aniket can see, Zaid, Sameer, Faizan can see. Amazing. Gaurav, Zoya can see. Amazing, guys. Habib and Gulu can also see. Very good, guys. Gulu, which animal can you see here?
Snake.
Snake, very good. So there is a snake here. Okay, guys. So why do you think these animals are in places which is very similar to their skin color? What do you think these animals are doing? Zoya is raising hand. Zoya, Zaid, Zaid, Gaurav, then Zoya. Okay, 1 minute. Yes, Zaid. Yes, Zaid.
See animal.
Why is this animal sitting here?
Because he adapt here.
Okay, he's adapting here. Very good, Zaid. Well done. Gaurav, you have anything to add? Gaurav and then Mantisha. Yes, Gaurav. Gaurav, unmute and speak.
पीछे वो लोग कैमोफ्लेज कर रहे हैं
कैमोफ्लैज कर रहे हैं. क्या होता है कैमोफ्लैज करना?
वो जो वो लोग की कलर की जगह है वहीं पे ही बैठना
वेरी गुड. जो उनके स्किन की कलर की जगह है वहीं पे बैठना. ओके. Thank you, Gaurav, for sharing. Mantisha, you want to share? Mantisha, Misbah, then Zoya. Yes, Mantisha.
Faizan has also shared.
Mantisha,
chat.
unmute. बोलो.
टीचर उन लोग के कलर के जैसा उन लोग की झाड़ियां है ना, वहाँ पर लोग शिकार करने के लिए छुप के बैठे हुए.
वेरी गुड. शिकार करने के लिए छुपके बैठे. अमेजिंग मंतिशा. वेरी गुड. Faizan says to blend with their environment and protect themselves. Very good, Faizan. Zoya, I'll unmute you. Okay. Where is Zoya gone? Where is Zoya? Oh, Zoya had dropped out. Okay. Who else wanted to share, guys? Guys, raise your hands again. Okay. I miss out on people. Who else wanted to share? Misbah wanted to share. Yes, Misbah.
Didi to match their skin colors with the place and catch the predators.
Amazing, very good. Muskan is saying the same so that they can protect themselves from their predators. Very good. Anybody else wants to share? Zoya wanted to share. No, 1 minute. Okay, Zoya, I'll unmute you. Yes, Zoya. Yes, Zoya. Zoya, unmute yourself and speak
Sameer has also answered. Huh?
so that they can hide and attack. Thank you, Sameer. Sabha, no problem. Okay. Yes, Zoya. Bolo.
To hide and catch their predators.
Very good. Thank you, Zoya, for sharing. To hide and attack their prey, or to hide from their predators. Okay. Okay, guys. So what these animals are doing is camouflaging. This is called camouflaging, where they sit in a place which is very, very similar to their skin color, and they hide to attack or to protect themselves. Okay. So we are going to read this with Didi, and then we are going to write it down. Listening time, we're going to read this with Didi first. Camouflaging is a process. Thank you, Mantisha. Thank you, Muskan. By which animals blend in with certain aspects of their environment. Very good, Gulu and Shifa. Animals camouflage in order to protect themselves from their predators, successfully reproduce, and carry on their species. Okay, guys, we're going to take 2 minutes writing time, 2 minutes of writing time, and finish writing this in our notebooks. Thank you, Shifa. I can see Ms.
Soumya,
writing. Yes, yes.
time check 2:52.
Okay, thank you. Guys, 2 minutes, we're going to finish writing this, okay? Mantisha wants to say something. Yes, Mantisha.
Both.
Yes, Mantisha. Yes, both you have to write, okay, Mantisha? दोनों लिखना है, ठीक है? Guys, we have to write everything, okay? I can see Iram writing, Misbah writing, Mantisha writing, Muskan writing, Shifa writing, Aniket writing. Very good, guys. Habib, are you writing? Habib is also writing. Very good, Habib. Habib, you're so sleepy today. Habib slept in morning meeting also today. What happened, Habib? Not sleepy. Okay. Very good, Sahil Yaqub. Very good, Shifa. Very good, Misbah. Very good, Mantasha. Faizan is done. Thank you, Faizan. Very good, Habib. Aniket is done. Very good, Aniket. And where to write everything? Faizan, in our notebook. Where will you write? दीवार पे लिखोगे फैजान? Faizan is asking me where to write.
Faizan, you have made a science book or no? Or you can use the previous one. Next to species, he's asking. Soumya is asking
Next
whether
to
he
species.
can. You can continue, Faizan. जो last time किए थे, you just have to continue writing.
Just continue writing, okay, Faizan? Good, Sahil. Just start a new objective from a new page. Otherwise, just keep continuing, okay, guys? Shifa is done. Thank you, Shifa. Muskan is done. Thank you, Muskan. Thank you, Sahil Yaqub. Muskan, you want to say something? 1 minute, okay?
नो दीदी
Yes,
गलती से हो
Muskan.
गया गलती से
कोई बात नहीं.
2:55, okay?
Guys, take 1 more minute and finish it, okay? Then we will move on. Muskan is done. Thank you, Muskan.
Faizan has a question, Soumya.
Faizan has a question. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, Faizan. Unmute and speak, Faizan. Very good, Habib. Faizan, unmute and speak.
Faizan is saying you tell Mantasha to write everything. So I'm asking where to write everything next to what?
What?
Faizan, you just have to write all of this down. जो last time दीदी ने लिखाए थे, this is a new objective. If it's a new objective, then you have to write it on a new page and
It's
just
not a new
continue.
objective. It is the same.
No. Yeah, so continue, Faizan. जिधर लिखे थे उधर ही continue करो. Okay, these are two answers that Didi has given you.
Sameer
Okay.
is done. Thank you, Sameer. Okay, we are moving on. Okay, guys. Faizan is done. Aniket is done. Take 10 more seconds and we are moving on. Thank you, Gullu. Thank you, Gullu. Shifa is done. Thank you, Shifa.
Mehak is also done.
Thank you, Mehak. Thank you, Iam. Misbah, fast Misbah. Misbah, गाड़ी निकल जाएगी Misbah. What is this? Misbah, stop laughing. Thank you, Kushi.
Soumya, I might leave early, huh?
Yes,
I have
no problem.
So I'll leave at 3.
You're
Let me
leaving
know.
at 3. Then how will I record the rest?
Wait, I'm asking how much are we stretching? 3:15.
3:15. You can stay till 3:15.
I'll just keep this on recording and go then.
अच्छा ठीक है चलेगा.
ठीक है?
Okay, guys,
चलेगा ना?
I'm moving on. Okay. All right. Misbah, you write later. We're moving on. Okay. Mantisha is done. Meg is done.
I'll be back, huh? I'll take like 10 minutes. I'll be back. So
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
this is there on recording, so don't worry.
No problem, no problem. Okay. Bye. See you. Okay.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye, Aishwarya. I'll try to come back as soon as I can, okay, for your closing.
Okay, guys, we'll start a new objective today. We will not finish it. We will just discuss thoda, okay? Thank you, Faizan. Shifa, class will get over in next 10-15 minutes, okay? All right. Guys, everyone is going to read the objective with me. This is listening time. We are going to read the objective with Didi, okay? All right. We will be able to, very good, Shifa, explain binomial nomenclature. Very good, Mantusha and Misbah. And discuss the importance of classification. Okay, so what are the skills of a new objective? Explain and discuss. Iram, will you go after 10 minutes, please? Yes, Gullu. Yes, Gullu, say.
क्या स्किल आपने पूछा ना स्किल तो मैं वही रीति है एक्सप्रेशन एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन
Explain and discuss. Okay, Gullu, explain and discuss. Thank you, Gullu, for sharing. That is our skill, and our knowledge is binomial nomenclature and classification. Okay, we'll take 1 minute writing time and write the new objective in our notebooks. We will take 1 minute of writing time and write the objective in our notebooks. Thank you, Shifa, for writing. Yes, Mantusha.
टीचर नीचे वाला भी
Yes, Baba. Skill and knowledge also. ठीक है? Thank you, Mantusha. Gulu, you want to say something?
दीदी ये चैप्टर नंबर न्यू ऑब्जेक्टिव है ना ये तो चैप्टर
One,
नंबर
one.
1 है क्या चैप्टर नंबर 2 है
Chapter number 1, new objective. ठीक है?
ओके
Everything chapter number 1. Okay. Very good, Misbah. Very good, Iram. Very good, Shifa. Very good, guys. Samir is done. Iram, go after 10 minutes, okay? I know you're hungry, but just 10 minutes, okay? Anuj, you want to say something? Yes, Anuj.
टीचर
Good. Thank you. Hi, Anuj.
नाउ द
Say. बोलो.
ऑब्जेक्टिव को कुछ हो गया था टेढ़ा मेढ़ा हो गया था
अभी सही चल रहा है.
हाँ
Okay. Thank you. Muskan is done. Thank you, Muskan. Aniket is done. Very good, Aniket. Okay, guys, 10 more seconds and we'll move on. Okay, so 10 more seconds and we are going to move on. Gulu is done. Shifa is done. Aniket is done. Okay. Afreen is done. Mahek is done. Nice cat, Misbah. Habib is done. Afreen is done. Amazing, guys. Very good, Mantusha. Very good, Anuj. Okay, guys, we'll move on. Okay. Iram is still writing. Iram, finish quickly. Okay, then we'll move on. Iram, are you done? Okay, amazing. Iram is also done. We'll move on. Okay. Yes, Mantisha, you want to say something?
टीचर हम लोग जो 4 बजे वाले टीचर पढ़ाते हैं ना,
हाँ.
सेम आपकी तरह आवाज है उनकी भी.
Ah, thank you for sharing, Mantusha. Nice, that's amazing. So yeah, it's done. Shifa said she's liking the class. Thank you, Shifa, for sharing. So sweet. Okay, guys, we're gonna move on. Okay, we are going to put our thinking caps on. That means once we have our thinking caps on, we are thinking. Okay. I can see Shifa smiling. Thank you, Shifa. Okay. Everybody is going to look like this. Okay, when we have our thinking caps on, we are going to think like scientists and we are going to think why. Okay, so we are going to think with our thinking caps on, and we're all very smart. We'll all answer. Okay, first question Didi wants to ask you is, what if none of us had names? अगर आप में से किसी के नाम नहीं होते, if I had to call you guys like that girl with blue kurta, that girl with short hair, तो क्या होता? What if you guys did not have any name? Who wants to tell Didi this? Misbah, क्या होता? Yes, Misbah.
दीदी तो जो लोगों को जाके छू के बताना पड़ता कि मैं तुम्हें बुला रही हूँ.
Exactly, right. तो अगर मुझे मिसबा को बुलाना हो तो मिसबा को बोलती वो येलो दुपट्टे वाली लड़की, प्लीज आंसर करो, राइट? यस मंतुषा.
टीचर फिर से बोले ना, समझ में नहीं आया.
हाँ मंतुषा, आई एम आस्किंग व्हाट इफ वी डिड नॉट हैव नेम्स. तो हम में से किसी का नाम नहीं होता, अगर किसी का नाम नहीं होता, आपका नाम मंतुषा नहीं होता, मेरा नाम सौम्या दीदी नहीं होता, अगर नाम ही नहीं होता हम लोगों का, तो फिर क्या होता? ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग. यस गौरव, यू वांट टू आंसर? यस गौरव. गौरव, अनम्यूट एंड स्पीक.
टीचर, अगर स्कूल में हम लोग किसी को भी चढ़ा देते दूसरे नाम से, फिर टीचर हम लोग को बोलते नहीं थे कि उसके मम्मी डैडी ने उसका कोई दूसरा नाम भी रखा.
एग्जैक्टली, राइट. देन वी वुड कॉल देम एनीथिंग, राइट? तो मैं गौरव को जैद बुला देती, जैद को गौरव बुला देती, राइट? व्हाट वुड हैपन? मंतुषा, यू वांट टू से समथिंग?
यस, अगर टीचर हम लोग का अगर नाम नहीं होता, तो अगर आप अगर मुझे बुलाना चाहते तो आप नौशीन को बुला लोगे.
Exactly. So what would happen? Suppose I'm calling Mantush and Nosheen will answer. Okay. So a lot of confusion. Iram, what would happen if we have no names?
दीदी, if nobody has name, so we will have to call like this. वो लड़की छोटे छोटे बाल वाली, लाल दुपट्टे वाली.
Exactly. We'll have to say. Yeah. Yes, exactly. Iram, repeat the last sentence you said.
कैरेक्टरिस्टिक से बताना पड़ता किसको बुला रहे.
Amazing. Characteristics से बनाना पड़ता, छोटे बाल वाले, बड़े बाल वाले, right? कितना difficult होता. खुशी, you want to say something? खुशी, unmute and speak, Baba. Koshi. I don't think Koshi can hear me. Okay, who else wants to try? Misbah, you want to try? Misbah and then Anuj. Yes, Misbah.
दीदी वहाँ पे मैं तो अगर हम लोग के पास नाम नहीं होता तो उसके अलावा अपने अंदर कोई और चीज भी हो सकती, जैसे कि हम लोग खुद से अपने मतलब दिमाग से बात भी कर सकते थे. जैसे कुछ तो होता कि हम लोग मतलब बुला सके किसी को.
Exactly, right. I'll unmute Anuj, then I'll unmute you. Okay, Faizan? I'll unmute you after Anuj. Yes, Anuj, you want to share something?
Teacher, in class everyone wears same clothes. You tell somebody that you स्कूल के कपड़े वाले, तो दूसरा समझ लेगा कि उसको बुला रहे.
Amazing, exactly. Anyone will listen to anyone, right? Yes, Faizan, I'll mute you. Okay, thank you. Yes, Muskan is saying, so if prize will go to Arzu Didi, we'll give it to Aishwarya Didi by mistake. Thank you for sharing, Muskan. Anybody else wants to share? What will happen if we have no names? What if we did not have names? What would happen? Yes, Faizan, you want to try? Yes, Faizan, you want to share? Unmute karo Faizan. फैजान अनम्यूट करके बोलो बाबा. I don't think Faizan can hear me. Anybody else wants to share? नाम नहीं होता तो क्या होता फिर? You wouldn't say सौम्या दीदी, you would say ये दीदी, some दीदी. Gaurav is raising his hand. Wait a minute, okay, Gaurav, I'll unmute you. Yes, Gaurav. Gaurav, unmute and speak. हाँ.
टीचर अगर हम लोग कुछ करते ना बड़ा काम तो फिर
हाँ.
हम लोग का नाम भी नहीं लिखा जाता है इतिहास में.
Exactly. We will not go down the history. Amazing. Gullu, you want to try?
यस दीदी. दीदी आपका नाम नहीं कहता आपको लेके ये लड़की इधर आओ न तो उधर रहता.
Amazing. We would have to say "ये लड़की इधर आओ," okay, and that would be very rude. Amazing, guys. Okay, so why is Didi asking you this? Because just like we need names, जैसे हमारे नाम होना बहुत जरूरी है. Shabista is saying everyone will say ah. Thank you, Shabista, for sharing. Okay, so what will happen, guys? So just like our names are very important, जैसे हमारे नाम होना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है, ऐसे ही प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स के नाम होना भी बहुत जरूरी है. ठीक है, तो प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स के नाम नहीं होंगे तो बहुत कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा. मुस्कान, यू वांट टू से समथिंग? यस मुस्कान.
दीदी बाय मिस्टेक.
Aye, okay, no problem. Okay, so just like our names are very important, just like that, plants and animals also need names. Okay, जैसे हमको नाम लगता है एक दूसरे को बुलाने के लिए, ऐसे plants और animals को भी नाम लगता है एक दूसरे को बुलाने के लिए. But why can't we use common names? So all the plants and animals have scientific names. Okay, Muskan and Arzu Didi will come in some time. Okay, so but why can't we use common names? Okay, the reason is suppose Faizan is coming from England, okay, and I am coming from India. And Faizan knows mango but I know आम. मुझे बस आम पता है कि आम बोलते हैं, मुझे मैंगो नहीं पता. फैजान को पता है कि मैंगो बोलते हैं, फैजान को आम नहीं पता. तो फैजान क्या हो जाएगा फिर? Faizan, unmute and speak. Who can tell me? Yes, Iram. Confusion हो जाएगा, right? Suppose 3 लोग बैठे हैं साथ में, ठीक है. फैजान, मैं हूँ और अनिकेत बैठा है, ठीक है. अनिकेत जर्मनी से आया है, मैं इंडिया से आई हूँ और फैजान इंग्लैंड से आया है. ओके, आई कैन सी मुस्कान लाफिंग. मुस्कान इज एंजॉयिंग दिस सो मच. ओके, ठीक है. अनिकेत जर्मनी से आया है एंड फैजान इंग्लैंड से आया है और मैं इंडिया से आई हूँ. ठीक है. अब मुझे तो नहीं पता आम क्या होता है, ठीक है. एंड फैजान इज सेइंग आई नीड मैंगो एंड आई एम लाइक मुझे नहीं पता मैंगो क्या होता है. ऐसा आई एम लाइक मैंगो एंड मैं बोल रही हूँ आम. फैजान इज नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग आम, राइट? सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज अ लॉट ऑफ साइंटिस्ट कम फ्रॉम डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. ठीक है, अलग अलग जगह से साइंटिस्ट आते हैं और उनको एक दूसरे की लैंग्वेज नहीं पता होती, तो इसलिए साइंटिफिक नाम वेरी गुड फैजान. द साइंटिफिक नेम इज मैंगीफेरा इंडिका, राइट? सो आई विल से मैंगीफेरा इंडिका. तो मैंगीफेरा इंडिका फैजान को भी पता होगा, मैंगीफेरा इंडिका अनिकेत को भी पता होगा. तो हम लोग अलग अलग जगह से आएंगे. अनिकेत जर्मनी से आया है, मैं इंडिया से आई हूँ, फैजान इंग्लैंड से आया है. बट बिकॉज हम साइंटिस्ट हैं, हमको मैंगीफेरा इंडिका पता होगा. तो इसलिए सारे प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स के अपने अपने साइंटिफिक नेम्स होते हैं ताकि किसी को कंफ्यूजन ना हो और सब लोग पता हो, सब लोगों को कि कौन से नाम है किसके लिए. ठीक है. गाइस, शो मी अ थम्स अप इफ यू अंडरस्टूड सो फार. आपको अगर समझ में आया साइंटिफिक नेम्स क्यों होते हैं प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स के, गिव मी अ थम्स अप. वेरी गुड. I know, just giving me a thumbs up. Misbah, Faizan, amazing. Iram, amazing. Aniket, Mantisha, Gulu, Gaurav, Sabah, amazing guys. Okay. What we are going to see in the next class now, हम अगली क्लास में क्या देखेंगे कि हम नाम कैसे देते हैं. Okay. तो अभी तक हमने क्या देखा कि why do we need these scientific names and हम scientific names क्यों देते हैं plants और animals को and why do we need to give scientific names. Next time we will see कि हम लोग नेमिंग कैसे करते हैं. तो हमने मैंगो को मैंगीफेरा इंडिका नाम क्यों दिया. ओके, why is the scientific name and what is the way of naming. अनिकेत मक्खी घुस जाएगा. Okay, all right guys, I'm unmuting you all. We will meet next time. Okay, 1 minute.
पापा वहाँ कौन सा काम रोजगार करते हैं? मैंने सुनाई देगा इधर टीचर को.
Okay, who is that? Okay guys, bye bye.
Bye.
Bye Gulu की sister.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you Faizan.
Bye Sara दीदी. Bye दीदी.
Bye Samir. Bye Sonia दीदी.
Bye.
Bye to everyone.
Bye Sara दीदी.
दीदी क्लोजिंग में आना.
Bye दीदी.
एंड दीदी सौम्या दीदी अपना प्रॉमिस मत भूलना, ठीक है?
Bye दीदी.
Okay.
Bye Samir.
Bye Sara दीदी.
Bye Gulu.
Bye.
बोल.
Bye Sara दीदी.
Bye.
मैं कितना बजे?
Bye.
Hi खुशी. फुरकान कहाँ है? Oh my God.
Why is Faizan shouting?
Bye दीदी.
Faizan is like Furkan. Bye खुशी.
Bye Samir.
Bye.
Hi Anuj.
Bye teacher.
Bye बच्चे.
Hi Shifta. Bye Mantisha.
Bye.
Guys, next time we learn more, okay? Where is Arzu?
Bye bye Samir.
Well, I left अभी. Gulu Afreen and
Bye. Bye.
Hi Gulu. Hi Muskan.
Bye.
Why are you crying? Gulu?
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye. I miss you all so much. Bye बच्चे.
Bye.
Bye bye.
पहले का तो पापा थे दूसरी दिन अब गुस्सा करते जब मिस को बोलूं क्या बाय मिस बुलाएगा ना बहुत